Yeah, Raghu. Raghu, do you have any doubts? Hello. Yeah, Raghu, can you hear me? Yeah, Raghu. Do you have any doubts in yesterday's sessions? So, have you tried that examples what we have discussed in the session? Okay, very good. Yeah, Shishir, joining? Yeah, yeah. Okay, Shishir also joining. We'll start with today's thing. And okay, so what is the size of int data type in Java? 4 bytes. Very good. What is the size of char data type? Char in Java. Char is 2 bytes. Hmm? Actually, it was 1 byte in C or C++, but here in Java, it is 2 bytes. Why 2 bytes? Why 2 bytes? I given a story also. Why 2 bytes have been given for char data type in Java? To support internationalization or to support multi-language characters. They given 2 bytes. It supports UTF 16 format also, character code format also. So we can deal with different language characters, not only English characters. Okay. Okay, just try to go through the notes, whatever we have given in our free times. Okay, Shishra also joined. We'll continue with present topic. So what we were discussing, yesterday we had discussed nested if we have discussed whenever we wanted to uh, test multiple conditions, then we can go for nested if. One use case real time scenario, what we can say, like finding the biggest number among given three numbers, we can use a nested if. And of course, the same approach even you can use for finding biggest number among four numbers also. Hmm? So I have written for three numbers, and you try to to write program to find biggest number in given four numbers. you try to write. You can nest any number of times. You just use the uh, nested if statements and uh, write uh, program to find biggest number in given four numbers. Okay, that's for your practice. You just try to do that today. And next, control statements. Next form of if statements is what? If else if ladder block. If else if ladder. So if else if ladder means what? Instead of writing the if conditions and if else conditions inside another if, here we'll be writing if else if ladder, uh, another if condition with else. So far how we are writing else without any condition, but now here again after else we'll be writing the if condition in if else if ladder block. So how it will come that syntax and the description and syntax, we can write like if else if a ladder is used to check several conditions. It means multiple conditions. Uh, if one condition is failed, one condition is failed, check another condition. If that also fail, check another condition. If condition that returns Boolean result, and then write some statements here, and then we need to write else. Inside else again we are writing some statements, right? This is regular uh, if else block. But now what is the difference? If this condition is false, check another condition. If this condition is failed, then check other condition. Else if, like this we write. So here another condition to check. another condition that returns Boolean result, like this. Even if this condition is also fail, then else if we can write another some other condition that returns Boolean result. So like this, we can write any number of conditions in this ladder. No, it is not limited to 3 or 4 or 5, even 10 also, 20 also you can write. Even 20 also you can write. At the end, how you can conclude this? Of course, it is optional. Else, without any condition, you can write. That's why we are calling it as if else if block. That's why we are calling it as if else if ladder block. Just like a ladder, it is going in several steps, right? So that's why we are calling it as if else if ladder. Is it clear, guys? If else if ladder syntax, how does it go? Yeah, Sai, Gopal, Raghu. Yeah, hello. Yeah, guys, you can hear me, right? Are you understanding? Yeah, Shishir, Raghu. Yeah, did you understood? Yeah. So now let us see a simple example on this if else if, how we can write this if else if. So let us say, uh, let us write uh, a demo on a demo to mimic the ATM operations, ATM machine operations. So what is what the ATM will do? It will do first. It will ask like what's your choice of operation you wanted to do. Like ATM, check the balance, withdraw the money, or see the transactions and change the password, like different options it will show. And when we choose an option, it will perform that particular operation, right? Now we do that a similar operation, mock ATM operations application will develop. Okay, you got the requirement, right? What we gonna do? You understood, right, guys? Yeah. So let us take class mock ATM. So this mock ATM, let us save this That's mock ATM dot Java. Now, what is the standard code we should write inside this? Come on, quick guys, tell me. Very good. Public static void main. Inside this capital S string args. You can give any name over there. Open and close the block.
Sir, your voice is coming out.
So voice is breaking in between. Oh,
Yes, sir.
oh, actually today I'm facing some network issue. That is even earlier session also I faced. Okay, today we do one thing. We write this program and we conclude it today. Tomorrow we'll continue. Okay, so we'll complete this program and we'll stop the session. Okay. Okay, so here what we do? Let us take a variable int choice or operation choice. We can say what operation we wanted to do. Operation choice equals to 2. Anything you can give 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us say if operation choice is equals to 1, then in ATM, what is the first operation that we wanted to show? We can say system dot out dot println. Let us say pin change. Pin change operation. Else, if operation choice is not 1, then check if operation choice is equals to 2. Open and close. Always try to open and close the brackets immediately so that you will not miss. System dot out dot println. Just to mark the operation. What is the operation choice 2 means what we wanted to perform? Like show balance. Display the balance in account operation or display balance in account operation. Don't worry, all this if you want we can make it live, as just like we can develop our program or our software just like in real time, how your ATM machine is working. In the similar way, we can take the inputs from the user and we can perform the appropriate operation and we'll give the result back to the user when we are reaching end of core Java. Okay, these are starting steps. That's why it is I am telling it as mock ATM, and mock ATM is simply displaying some standard mock messages, but real operation we are not doing here. That we'll do when we are going concept by concept. The same applications we take and we improvise these examples. Okay, guys. And if operation choice 2 also not, if operation choice is not 2, then go for it's not 1 and it is not 2. Then if operation choice equals to 3, system dot out dot println what we can say, pin change display balance in account, withdraw money from account operation, and then else if operation choice is equals to 4, open and close. What is the other operation we can say? System dot out dot println balance inquiry inquiry operation. And if a choice is not even 4, then we can say simply else system dot out dot println invalid choice, invalid choice. Like this we can do. So now based on the choice value, operation choice value you are giving here, this particular operation will be executed and it will work. And at the end, what the ATM will do, it says system dot out dot println, what it will do. Thanks for using ATM. Some thanks message for everyone. So now let us compile this program and run this program. Where do we have our programs? Online training, OFS, or Java. So open CMD from here. Now set path to where we need to set C colon program files, Java, then JDK, then bin, semicolon dot semicolon. Enter. Now run the compile the program. Java C mock ATM dot Java. So it's giving error. Why? Cannot find symbol system dot out dot println. So println spelling is wrong, right? So here by looking at this, we can understand it. It is clearly saying symbol method println is not available. It's cannot find. So what we should do? It is println. On which line? Clearly it is showing, right? On line number 10, mark ATM.java colon 10, right? 10, 12, and 14 in all these places. On 10, there should be println, and 12 also there should be println, and 14 also there should be println, but in 17 again we have typed correctly only, so no need to worry. So now compile Java C. Now run the program. Java mark ATM. So display balance in account operation. Why operation choice is 2? So choice 2 is displaying the balance, right? If I give choice as 8, so do we have choice 8? No, we don't have choice 8, so it is invalid choice. So what our ATM says, invalid choice, thanks for using ATM. So if it is 4, for choice 4 we have the block. So compile the choice 4 and enter balance inquiry operation. Like this it will go. So in this ways we can create if else if ladder for performing different operations, means any one operation based on one condition success, one condition uh, success or pass. If any one condition is passing, then perform one particular task. Only one condition pass and one condition one task execution. In that case we need to go for if else if ladders. If one condition is passed, then perform something. If it is failed, perform another thing. Then we can go for if else. But it is not like that. Only one condition pass of it. It is for multiple conditions based on any one of the multiple conditions pass, perform one operation. That's why we can take this if else if ladder. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so already I have given one exercise, right? What I asked you to do, I asked you to do, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. Exercise 1 is what? Write a program to find the biggest number among given 4 numbers. Okay, that is one exercise. Another exercise what I wanted to do is what I want you to do is write a program to replicate ATM operations based on a pin validation. Based on a pin validation. So when you are using the ATM, first what it will do. So while writing the program, just to try to visualize the process, how it should go in your brain. You can think, or you can put on your paper also. You can take pen and paper, you can write the steps. Wow, what are the steps here? What we can say for this as the algorithm or solution, we can write solution or algorithm like this. So step 1 is what? Step A. Step 1, what? Validate pin number. First, what we need to do? Validate pin number. Pin number should be, let us take a standard pin number 1234. 1234 should be the pin number. If it is pin number is 1234, then step 2, perform all these operations. What are that in mock ATM? Operation choice, pin change operation, step 2, check operation choice. And step 3, perform appropriate operation based on operation choice. So here performing this, how it would be? It would be step 3.1. If operation choice is, if choice is 1, pin change operation. In the similar way, step 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, if operation choice is 2, then what it has to do? Display balance in account. 3, withdraw money. 4, balance inquiry. Oh, yes, display balance and balance inquiry both are same only, right? Okay, we'll say mini statement. This transaction history. Pin change, display balance, if operation choice is 3, then withdraw money, and if operation choice is 4, then mini statement. So last 10 operations need to be displayed. These are the third steps. And next step 4 is what we can say, show thanks message. Thanks for using ATM. So like this, we can say it as a solution or pseudocode or algorithm. Hmm? So you try to write this code. So for this, the second program, second exercise, the solution also I have given. You just need to convert these statements into Java statements. Okay, guys, you try to do these two exercises, and tomorrow we discuss if you face any problems here while doing this, we'll discuss on that. Okay, guys. Yes, I Shishir, Raghu. Okay, right. Okay, we pause here today, and tomorrow we'll continue with the switch case. Okay.